AIDS Help is 28 years old this year, and we first started in the community for assisting people who were dying from AIDS. We provide case management services and linkage to care, as well as testing programs and counseling programs. One of the most critical areas that the health department and AIDS Help struggle with is the collection of data. Data that can show exactly where and how the disease is trending specifically for Monroe County. We needed the expertise of a major university that offered biostatistics type programs and data management type programs. FIU was a natural choice. We devised a plan to not just offer an intern program for just one semester or 1 year. We wanted to have a very robust program that would address all of our data needs.
Receiving the scholarship from AAH of Monroe County has given me the opportunity to get working experience hands-on in a community-based organization. When I was an undergrad, I did biology, and I changed to public health with a concentration in biostatistics because I think it's really great. These type of organizations, they're out to help everybody. That's where the passion really lies in public health professions.
So we developed this gift for a 5-year period. We came across with the idea that the semesters would be 6 months in length. We would first start with the biostatistics department, and then go lead into epidemiology, and then to finish off the program of our needs of then taking what we had learned from biostatistics and epidemiology and put that into policy with health management.
The first 3 rotations will be biostatistics students, and we're really brought in here to make a centralized data management system for AH of Monroe County. This is to manage their numbers, pull out important information, identify trends in order to be able to determine which areas need more focus, which need more attention. And then once this data management system is implemented, they're going to have the epidemiology students to come in and look at the trends and say, here's the numbers, but what do they mean?
The community will definitely be impacted by the interns that come to AIDS Help from FIU. They're going to be able to show us and help us, Monroe County specifically, on where and how the disease is trending. Where should we focus our resources? Where should we focus our time? We have lived with the disease in Monroe County for more than 30 years, and now it's time to see how do other chronic illnesses along with HIV relate to each other in data.